Well, first job of the day is this black CZT. Some nice old school wheels on there. This one is in today for a 3-port boost solenoid and map. It's got plenty of mods, so we'll list them at the end. But stay tuned. We're going to get it on the dyno. We're going to do a standard power run. I think we're going to do a standard power run first before we fit the 3-port, but we shall see. So here we go. Oh, it's raining. Okay, so 3-port fitted, and now it's time to do a bit of mapping. So there she is, black CZT. Good morrow, young Richard.
Hello.
How you doing?
It's Wednesday.
Is it?
Yeah, almost halfway through the week.
Oh dear. I don't feel like we've achieved much this week so far.
I don't know. I don't think I'll have that said.
Uncle Keith's paint shop's had its first job completed.
Yeah, I think it's just nibbing some bits out of the bumper now and polishing it. But yeah, the first job's completed there, which is nice. That's a milestone for us. Only sort of 1 day behind schedule.
Yeah.
We've had to shuffle some things around, and yeah, that's as much as I want to say about that.
Yep. I think you're right.
Yeah.
Very positive though.
Very positive. We shuffled some things around. We've worked some kinks out. We've worked with Keith to see if we can obviously get up and running, even though there's the last couple of bits to finish and stuff, so we're going to do that.
Here he is. You're in the wrong unit. See you, mate. Well, this is a Colt CZT, and it's going pretty well, isn't it, so far, mate, with the 3-port fitted?
Yeah, it's programming up. Nice boost curve, so we're just going to get the fuel in right, and then...
As you can hear, the rad fan kicks in every time Richard programs the ECU. We're using the Ecutek software. If you want any more information about the Ecutek mapping that we do on Colts, feel free to drop us a message. We're here all day. Aren't we, Rich?
All weekend.
No, I'm not doing Sundays anymore. I'm telling you.
Are we having 1 day a week off then?
We're having a day a week off for the rest of the time now, I'm telling you. I'm going to go find out what Keith wanted, just in case he's upset.
Yeah, in case it was important.
Yeah.
Sorry, we've shared bodily fluids before. Oh, sorry, the camera's on. He was moaning, saying we were too close.
I said we were too close. And I don't mean like we're really good friends.
My business partner and also my lover. Anyway, black Colt.
It's not love. It's just sex.
It's just sex. Okay, fair enough. Okay, that's fine. At least I know where I stand.
There's going to be people that this will be their first video that they ever watch.
And I think that they'd be.
What?
Yeah, I think it'd be serious. We're not gay. I mean, obviously, if you are gay, that's not a problem. We're just not gay.
Well,
maybe a little.
I think you got to try everything before you can make that decision myself.
Yeah. Anyway, let's get back to the black Colt. Black Colt in this morning for a 3-port boost solenoid, which was obviously done and fitted. Mapped up nicely, no problem. Made sort of 215 and 230 foot-pounds, which we're really happy with. That's what we class as our I hate using the word stages, but stage 1.5.
They're all custom maps. Every single car
everyone
mapped
is
on its own merit.
Yeah, every car's measured on its own merit. It's just that we say there's a set of mods that we class as stage 1, stage 1.5, stage 2, and then obviously hybrid and so on. It's just so that people, when they turn up here, they're not missing one key component. They're disappointed they don't make the power they think they're going to make. So we generally, obviously, liaise with the customer and say, you know, if you've got all these mods and the 3-point, then we expect
you
to make
guys could
215
always contact us, whether that be on Facebook or pick up the phone and call us. If you ever want to talk about Mitsubishi Colt, that's what we do.
Yeah, we'll advise you, obviously, get you where you need to be and the power you want to make. So this car's made exactly the power that the customer was wanting this morning. It was 215 brake and 230 foot-pounds. I think he'd be suitably impressed with this. The only thing that he probably did want actually was pops and bangs, but he's got 2 cats in, so there's not a lot we can do about that. I did say to him, obviously, if he removes the cats at some point, we'll gladly put it on for him.
We'll have it back and fire some torpedoes out the back.
Yeah, fire some torpedoes. Should we have a look at the graph?
Sure.
All right.
Okay, so as you can see, we've got a starting point there today, and also you can see where we finish, which is the blue line, and we do finish on 216 brake horsepower and 228 foot-pound of torque. Fantastic. So there we go, another one in the back. What do you think to those wheels, guys?
1990.
Yeah, 1990. What are they, TSW Venoms? Something
Yeah,
like
I think
that.
that's right. Yeah, I think that's what they are.
Yeah. Well, something a little bit different. We can't always be the same, and they look pretty nice. I think pretty nice, especially on a black car. Well, yeah, for sure. Well, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed. Oh, code word for this video is well done, boys, because obviously we've completed our first job in the paint shop. So pat on the back, or well done, boys. You can take your pick. See you soon. See you soon.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.